Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn photos into 3D images on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the Photos app, then tap on it. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of control for creating spatial photos. Now just make sure you enable this option. After you enable this option, then go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now just select the photo which you want to turn into 3D. Now just tap on this icon which will appear on the photo which we have selected. Just like that. Now if the selected photo does not have this icon, this means that the photo you have selected does not support the 3D effect or the spatial scene. Now for an example, if I select this photo, as you can see, this photo does not have the spatial scene or the 3D effect icon on it. This means that this photo does not support the 3D effect. But if I select this photo, as you can see, it supports the spatial scene effect. Just like that. And this is how you can turn photos into 3D images on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.